Actually been up since around 3:30, 3:40, just doing some work. I'm tired as a mom, but I've work to do, so we're gonna keep going. Gwan Squad on the plane again. We're on the way to Bahamas today. We're leaving Friday to go Barbados. We'll be back in Jamaica in 3 weeks. Rude Halloween, October 28th. Be there, Police Officers Club. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Just take off. I went a little bit to Bahamas, going relax today, tomorrow, working all day, then Friday morning, fly out first thing, Barbados, work weekend. Work the next 2 weeks, then back a yard. Yeah. Guys, we're still keeping the bait going, roast or fry. Let me know in the comments down below. Gwan Squad. She just told me she upgraded me to Ocean View. See if that's true. Better than Ghana, that's for sure. I can tell you that. 100% confident, I can tell you that. Yeah guys, it is the 13th of September. I'm only in Bahamas until Friday morning. So, at the Courtyard Marriott. They're never the greatest, but they're decent. So it's like, it could be worse. Okay, let's see. Hey. Okay, so this is my ocean view room. I mean, I do have the ocean right there. So guys, you know, if you're on vacation and you can afford it, I wouldn't say, yo, come stay here. But if you're working, why not? There's always somewhere worse, aka any hotel in Guyana. As I was saying, oh Lord, this actually, yeah, okay. Gwan Squad. Alright, back to the programming. So, something that's interesting for a man like me that works in the automotive industry. You drive on the left-hand side like Jamaica, but a lot of the dealerships and things sell left-hand drive cars, which is weird. Usually you have right-hand drive. That's just something I'm here to study, learn about, see if there's a preference. Rude Carnival, October 28th. Rude. Get there. Drinks inclusive, gal bashment, out and about. Bring your costume, bring your queen, leave your machine at them. We do some work now, so check you later. Alright guys, feel like I should bring you to dinner, but it's a business meeting, so I have to leave you here. Tomorrow is a long day, from early in the morning. Hopefully I'll have a good dinner, and then fly out Friday to Barbados. Yeah, let's go baby. Gwan Squad, just got back off the road. Had some meetings, you know, done. Going change off, walk, go get lunch. Gonna put on a shorts, my slippers, and boogie downstairs. Alright, let's go. Alright squad, I'm at lunch. I have to get the Gumbe punch. Is there a pineapple soda? I prefer it to D&G, don't kill me. My boss has said I need to try their pineapple soda in Barbados, so we're gonna do a taste test and I'll let you know which one is the best. But so far, Bahamas beats D&G by far. So I'm actually having my first, I went to Dairy Queen to get a blizzard in Bahamas. That's wild, my first ever. Never had one before in America, nothing. So I gotta try and see what I go. Morning squad. It's 4 AM. It's not long ago. I went to bed so I could just get ready and leave. It's not too long ago, I need to shave. Don't grow a beard or a mustache. Richie loves to point that out. His one's not that great either, but in our family, it's pretty great. So big up to you, Richie. I've actually been up since around 3:30, 3:40, just doing some work. Oh, that sounded weird, eh? So I've been up a little, done some work, going to just brush teeth, get ready, pack up and roll out. So I'm very disorganized. You may have recognized that already. And I just wanted to show you guys something since I've been traveling a lot this year. This has actually been my lifesaver. It's a cable pouch from Alpaca. I carry every charger I need for my computer, my iPad, my headphones, and my phone. Computer cable, cable for the power brick. You can charge multiple devices at one. iPad, phone. And this also. These two things have made life crazy simple. I almost never lose a charger now. I've been carrying the same chargers now for a little over a year, which is unheard of for me. And then just being able to use one plug for multiple devices removes a lot of hassle. You know, you go a lot of places and you're like, oh, I need a plug for my headphones, I need a plug for this, that. Yeah, so if you guys need, check them out. Alpaca Cable Management, and then I got the other one. It's either Mophie, I have two of them. One in Jamaica, one here. We got one from Mophie, one from Belkin for the charging bricks. Yeah. Alright, cool. All gone. So they're on the plane now. It is 7:22 on the plane, flight to Miami, then connect Miami to Barbados. I am tired as a motherfucker, but I have work to do, so we're gonna keep going. Alright, squad, dip on the plane to Barbados. Second flight for the day, last flight for the week. This week wasn't bad, only 3 planes. We're going to little work today, little work tomorrow. Then we're going to the swamp tomorrow. I didn't even know Barbados had swamps, so stay tuned. Eki Becky is coming at you. So, landed in Barbados and with the boys. It's a beach day. They don't stop drinking over here. That's a fucking fact. They live the life I live, but they don't stop. All the boys here are like 30 odd with wives and children, and they still drink so much. Gwan Squad, first day of work in Barbados. You know how Gwan, eh? Right now, transporting the first set of cars to the bond store, and we're getting ready to rock and roll. Barbados, we reach, we're ready. Come by a big bad GWM. Have it all with Aval. Yeah. Smooth. Oh, go on. So we're there on the construction site. I tried the pineapple soda, gumbe punch all the way. It's not bad, but gumbe punch. And then lunch, Bajan roti. Home after a semi-long day. It's like about 3:30. Good day. We're getting set up, guys. We're nearly there. We are nearly there. Yeah. So this should be the end of the vlog. More Barbados coming to you soon. Big up. Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.